Okay, question 60 on chapter 9. Now for this one, we've got 25 songs on us on a computer. We want to put them onto a CD, but we're only going to put 10 of those songs on. We'll put each song on once, of course, and so we want to see how many different CDs really could we make considering order, because which one we put first, second, third is important as far as the listening experience. So for the first song on the CD, we have 25 songs to choose from. And then we're going to use the multiplication principle, because from here, once we choose one of those songs, one of those 25, there's going to be a branch that comes out. There will be 24 songs left once we choose one. And then as we choose a second song, there's now 23 left. And then 22 to choose from. We've made all our choices. This next one has 21, 20, 19 songs left to choose from, 18, 17, and 16. Then there are 15 songs that were not used on the CD. So this is all the not the probability, but the number that could be counted. When we multiply this all together, if your calculator's like mine, it sort of overflows. So it gives you the answer as 1.186167629, and then you see an E and you see a 13. That E stands for exponent, e to 10 to the 13th power. So in the book, you'll see this as its answer. It rounds it to 1.19 because a 6 is next to it, so that's more than half. So we round the 8 up to a 9. 1.19 times 10 to the 13 is how they have the answer written. But to understand really kind of how much this is, we'll use these 13 powers of 10 by moving the decimal over 13 places. So we've got 118616762 That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 places that we've moved the decimal over. We come back 3 places each time and put a comma to break off the thousands digits. And how many thousands do we have? Well, here's millions, here's billions. We have 11,861,676,290,000 different ways, different CDs. That we can make out of these 25 songs. Another way to do this is using the math key on a TI-84, or possibly, depending upon your calculator, might be a probability key. And what you're looking for is this option, NPR. This is a permutation. And when we're doing a permutation, we are choosing from the total number a certain amount. So what we've got is we've got 25 songs to choose from, and on this CD we're going to choose 10. So we put 25, we get the NPR button, click, and then we get 10, we put that in, and it will calculate this same amount here. It's basically the same thing as putting in this whole line of multiplication, but a little bit quicker. And those are 2 ways to approach this problem to get to the answer. Thanks.